Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will do factors and multiples. Factor. A factor of a whole number is any whole number that divides into it exactly, leaving no remainder. For example, factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Multiple. When two whole numbers are multiplied, the product is called a multiple of either of those numbers. For example, 4 multiply 5 equals to 20 and 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Even numbers. Even numbers are multiple of 2. Odd numbers are not multiple of 2. Prime numbers. Prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to the 97 are called prime numbers as they have only two factors, the number itself and 1. Composite numbers. Composite numbers have more than two factors. For example, 4 have a factors 1, 2 and 4. Test of divisibility. Rule of divisibility for 2. The digit in the one place must be a multiple of 2. In other words, all even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, 74. One place is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 74 is divisible by 2. Reason is that all tens are divisible by 2. Rule of divisibility for 4. The number formed by the digits in the tens and ones place should be divisible by 4 or be both 0. For example, 724. Ones, tens, 100. 24 is divisible by 4 because it's in a tens. And 724 is divisible by 4. All hundreds are divisible by 4. Rule of divisibility for 8. For a number to be divisible by 8, the last 2 or 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For example, 1110 once, that is 7248 number and is divisible by 8 because 248 is divisible by 8. Rule of divisibility for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit in the ones place is 5 or 0. Ones place 5 and there is 90 on the ones place 0. Rule of divisibility for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in the ones place is 0. Like ones place 0 here and here. Reason 10, 100 and thousands are always divisible by 5 and 10. Rule of 2 extends over the rule of 4, 6, 8 and 10. Rule of divisibility for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 231 and sum of the digits 2, 3, 1 that is equal to 6. So 231 is divisible by 3. Rule of divisibility for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. For example, 657. Sum of the digits are 6 plus 5 plus 7 are 18. So 657 is divisible by 9. Rule of divisibility for 6. The number must be even and divisible by 3 in order to be divisible by 6. Look at the numbers in the following table. Numbers even, divisible by 3, divisible by 6. 198. For example, 198. Even, yes. Divisible by 3, yes, because sum of these digits of 198 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 6. If both it is even and divisible by 3, then we should say that it is also divisible by 6. For example, 891 is even, no, and divisible by 3, yes, but it is not divisible by 6 because rule of 6 is not fulfilled. Solve exercise 3 according to the rules of divisibility. Factorization. It is a process where breaking up a number into the prime factors is called prime factorization. Index notation. Indices, single index, or power, or exponents are a convenient way of writing repetitive multiplication. For example, 49, it's a square of 7. Either we write 7 multiply 7, but in index notation we write 7 square. Exercise 3b. Express these numbers as a product of their prime factors and then express them in index form. Part H is 225. The prime factors are 225 are 3 square multiply 5 square. So it's an index form and these are the prime factors. So solve the remaining part of this exercise. Highest common factor, HCF. The highest common factor of a set of two or more numbers is greatest number that divides both of them without any remainder. HCF by prime factorization method using index form. And this method is explained in question of exercise 3c. Question number 1, you find the HCF of these numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. Part A is 66, 72, 30. Take the prime factor of each number separately and the prime number of 66 are 2, 3, 11, 72 are 2 cube multiply 3 cube and 30 number prime factors are 2 multiply 3 and multiply 5. Highest common factor, it means what are the common in these all factors. The common factors are 2 and 3, so HCF is 2 multiply 3 equal to the 6. So the remaining parts of question number 1 as a question number 1a. Thanks.